Kymco is the abbreviation and a global brand under Guangyang Motor Company, headquartered in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Founded in 1964, Kymco originally started out with technology transfer from Honda, Japan. With the technical know-how from Honda, Kymco became one of Honda's high-quality overseas manufacturing facilities. As the relationship developed over the next 2 decades, Honda increased its business interest in Kymco and became a significant shareholder of Kymco. Mr. Soichiro Honda, the founder of Honda Group, recognized the importance of its Kymco collaboration and visited Kymco in Taiwan. Mr. Guangshu Ke, the founder of Kymco Group, had been Mr. Honda's acquaintance and ally for years. The first model manufactured by Kymco was the C200, launched in 1964. The Haomai 125, manufactured from 1990 to 2008, was the first model to sell over 1 million units. In 1992, after 28 years of close collaboration with Honda, Kymco began selling products developed independently from Honda and marketed under Kymco brand. In 2003, Kymco acquired back Honda's business interest in Kymco and started focusing on developing and marketing Kymco's own brand globally. Kymco's corporate headquarters is located in Kaohsiung, the largest city in southern Taiwan. Over the past 57 years, its corporate campus has expanded into an area covering more than 2 million square feet, 188,300 square meters, encompassing office buildings, as well as manufacturing, testing, research and development facilities. Kymco Group is now comprised of manufacturing facilities and marketing and sales companies in 115 countries worldwide. Kymco USA, Kymco Luxembourg, and Kymco UK in Europe, Kymco Philippines, Kymco Vietnam, and Kymco Japan in Asia. Changzhou Guangyang Motor, Changzhou Guangxing Precise Machine, and Changzhou Kawasaki and Guangyang Engine Company in China. Kymco also licenses manufacturing technology to partners in Malaysia, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, and Egypt. To facilitate the global expansion in different industries, Kymco has invested strategically with key financial industry partners, including Capital Securities Company and Capital Investment Trust Company. Kymco further established Kymco Private Equity Management Company Taiwan and Kymco Private Equity Management Company Hangzhou to manage various private equity funds that alliance with global experts for strategic business investments and developments. Kymco commits on the forefront of technological research and integration. Kymco invests in strategic partnerships that specialize in manufacturing and developing critical parts and materials. These partnerships include Eternal Materials for chemical and electronic materials, Kaifai Industry for shock absorber of motor vehicle, Toyo Jiancang Electric for electronic components of motor vehicle, China Ocean Enterprise for air cleaner, Taiwan Keihin Carburetor for fuel injection system parts and throttle body, and Guangzhou Technologies for electroplating ceramic surface processing, and Clever Mobility for premium e-bike company in Europe. Kymco is dedicated to elevating and exceeding the levels of customer expectation and satisfaction. It created consumer subsidiaries to ensure superior customer services in all aspects of its end-user interaction. These subsidiaries are Guangda for premium motorcycle marketing company in Taiwan, Guangda Trading, accessories design and marketing in Taiwan, Taichi, a sole distributor of Kawasaki motorcycles in Taiwan, Guangjet, electric motorcycle marketing company, and Ionix Networking. Kymco Group has been delivering impressive sales results annually. Sales revenues have increased from $1.02 billion in 2011 and hit record high in 2017 to $1.35 billion and $1.48 billion in 2020. Kymco expects to continue its consistent growth into the future, despite ongoing turbulent global economic fluctuations. Excellent financial outcomes result from a strong presence in domestic and worldwide markets. In Taiwan, Kymco has been a market leader for over 21 years, with more than 3,600 exclusive dealers. In 2020, Kymco has 33.9% market share and leaves other competitors behind us. Kymco's core technical value is to research and development advanced chassis structure, efficient gasoline engines, electric motor control, and power transmission systems. These core competencies drive the foundation for all research and development of Kymco's product line ranges. From scooters and motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles and utility, electric scooters, mobility scooters, and electric bikes. To diversify its presence in the marketplace, Kymco Group has branched out into the medical device industry, offering electric-operated vehicles such as mobility scooters and power wheelchairs under brand names other than Kymco. Kymco UK, based in Cardiff, UK, has become the market leader of mobility scooters in the UK under the K4U brand name. K4U is now a popular brand in all major European markets. Kymco USA, based in Spartanburg, South Carolina, has been established to repeat the same success for the US market, with freshly designed products under the Stars and Stripes brand name. To promote a greener environment, Kymco has dedicated enormous efforts into e-vehicles. High-end electric bicycles from Kymco's Clever Mobility have earned the highly acclaimed Red Dot Award and If Europe Bike Award by design and industry experts. Extra Energy magazine selected Clever as the best e-bike for businessmen. Furthermore, Clever Mobility is awarded by Eurobike in 2013. Moreover, in Netherlands, RAI also selected Clever Mobility as the best choice in speed e-bike in year 2018. Kymco Group's excellence is highly praised by Taiwan government and global industry peers and international trade associations. In year 1996, Kymco was the first power two-wheels company to win National Quality Award in Taiwan. In 2004, Kymco was named the winner of Industrial Technology Advancement Award. In 2006, Japan JIPM Association awarded Kymco TPM Award Special Honor. Followed by year 2007, Kymco received the eAsia Award from the Ministry of Economic Affairs in Taiwan. In 2008, Kymco received the Export Excellence Awards by Ministry of Economic Affairs in Taiwan and was awarded Labor Safety and Sanitation Excellence Awards in 2009. In addition to that, in year 2011, Kymco Group was awarded by Ministry of Economic Affairs as Top 100 Brands in Taiwan and awarded Energy Saving Benchmark Silver Awards in 2019. Kymco mainly exports to Europe, where has been a major contribution to overall sales revenue. Nearly 50% sales revenue of Kymco Group's entire overseas sales have been generated from Europe market. In ATV market, Kymco is a market leader in France. In scooter market, Kymco is a top 3 brand in Australia, Spain, Italy, Germany, and Colombia. In mobility scooter market, Kymco is number 1 in UK government. Research and development has always been a core to Kymco. Kymco commits to being on the forefront of creating technologically advanced products to fulfill increasing demands for worldwide customers. Kymco established R&D Center since 1978, with more than 400 engineers particularly dedicated to R&D. Total R&D investment has been in an average of 7% out from annual sales revenue. Kymco is on the forefront of next-generation technology developments that meet the future needs of the customers. In 2017, Kymco launched Nudo, a revolutionary smart scooter experience that transformed riding from transportation to a social experience. In 2018, Kymco launched Nudo Navigation, pioneering the rider-centric approach in navigation that allowed the riders to focus on the road. Kymco is committed to making electric a practical reality for consumers. In 2018, Kymco launched Ioniq, a game-changing electric scooter solution that eliminates all barriers to go green. Kymco Ioniq marked the beginning of a new era of electric scooters with its innovative vehicle designs and open energy platforms. Kymco also creates strategic alliances with Kawasaki, a well-known Japan manufacturer, to be a sole distributor and marketer for Kawasaki heavy motorcycles in Taiwan. Kymco has reached the market leader with continued growth potential in the future. Global brands such as BMW, Kawasaki, and Textron have also sought strategic alliances with Kymco. The collaborations and OEM manufacturing relations with these reputable manufacturers have greatly enhanced Kymco's brand reputation and technological capabilities. Kymco is devoted to win the hearts of consumers all over the world. Kymco entrusts that the company's core values, distinction, pride, and persistence will achieve the Win My Heart recognition it seeks to earn from its consumers. Kymco will continue to set the industry standard and become one of the most recognized and respected global brands in the world.